To add MetaMask in Bitget Wallet, you need to start by opening your Bitget Wallet account and navigating to the Wallet section. Here you will find the option to add a new wallet. Click on it and select MetaMask from the list of available wallets. Next, you will be prompted to download and install the MetaMask browser extension if you have not already done so. Once installed, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser and follow the prompts to set up your MetaMask wallet. After setting up your MetaMask wallet, go back to your Bitget Wallet account and click on the Add Wallet option again. This time, select MetaMask and you will be given a QR code to scan. Open your MetaMask wallet and click on the Scan QR code option. Then scan the code displayed on your Bitget Wallet account. Once you have scanned the QR code, your MetaMask wallet will be connected to your Bitget Wallet account. You can then use your MetaMask wallet to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies on the Bitget platform. It is essential to note that you should only connect your MetaMask wallet to trusted platforms like Bitget to avoid any potential security risks. Also, make sure to keep your MetaMask wallet and Bitget wallet account passwords safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily add your MetaMask wallet to your Bitget wallet account and start using it to manage your cryptocurrencies. This integration provides a convenient and secure way to interact with the Bitget platform, and it is an excellent option for users who already have a MetaMask wallet.